Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. The powertrain includes 4-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: side airbag, traction control, stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.